You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At last, long love has arrived.
Colored the horn just now with gold color. Okay, so I dry it here. Actually, gold is brown amber, so this is the color that I use for the horn. And I didn't use the powder one because this one is much more easier, I think. Turntable, palette knife, spatula, a bowl, and cake board. So these are all buttercream with colors. And now we're going to layer and stack the cake. Let's do it.
Can't take my eyes off of you.
I gotta do this kind of cake. So we're gonna need to do the colors. And now we're gonna choose which side we're gonna use as our front.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At last, my love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You're just too good to be true.